Kids are heading back to school, so now's the perfect time to download the Eyewitness News Alarm Clock app. You can wake up to your favorite Eyewitness News This Morning anchor.
Rise and shine. It's Lori Stokes from Eyewitness News.
Get your morning news headlines, the AccuWeather forecast right now and for the day ahead, and real-time commuter alerts. Everything you need to get up and get back to school, back to work, back to your morning routine. Get the Eyewitness News Alarm Clock app. It's free at the App Store.